they pulled out stupidly. What do they expect?
You do not want you to use your own lane.
Both of them didn't bother to go round.
Every office has seen them so far is at pains to point out they're miles better than they were on the last tour.
Looks like that man wanted to come
The
out.
office went on the last tour and are waiting to
That's
go on
fine,
this one,
you
so
open
just
the
as
door.
classic. You're always going to get that in an indie office. Oh, this is better this time. Although actually,
Average speed check zone ahead.
It was very not clear of the signage.
There is a way that way, but it's really not straightforward.
Well, where is it saying? Go this way, go this way.
Really? Speed up, mate. You want that lane, though? You shouldn't have gone when he did, really.
No. I'll drop you off, you go and get the free Luke set.
Hello?
I'll drop you off, you go and get the free Luke set.
Definitely wrong line.
Why have you done that? Why have you done that? You've gone from 2 cars in this lane to 2 cars in that lane.
Maybe they don't want the next one.
I was hoping I was sneaking front of us.
They can't go through.
There was plenty of space for them to go. They had so much space. They obviously don't know how wide their car is. There was loads of space for them to go.
You don't know how nervous a driver they are, is it?
What? Just a red light that they was just went right through it. Now, isn't that thing a little large to have hanging in your windscreen? Surely it blocks the view a little bit.
Matt must be getting a lot of cashback from booking a big holiday for 10 people on his credit card.
You're going to really undertake me What a prick. What a prick. Undertake me on a slip road. Here we have an impatient undertaker who actually gets in the way of someone trying to move over to the left lane. So you can see the grey car wanted to move over, but they couldn't because the silver car decided to undertake. Well done. Now following that up, we're coming up to a slip road. So you can see this here is a junction, which means people are going to be joining. So the car here decides that they want to move to lane 1 as they can see the slip road, and they can see a car in front of them joining from the slip road. So why do they do that? They then have to move back to lane 2 to then move back over to lane 1 again. So this clip is a little bit earlier than the one before, so you know what traffic is coming up, but we have a car who was in lane 3 decide that that's not good enough for them. These cars which are all waiting to pass the slower people aren't going quick enough for them, so they decide to undertake. They come barreling down lane 2 here and then into lane 1 to overtake. Again, we've just gone past a junction, which you can see, so people are going to be joining, and they just barrel on past in lane 1.
See, that's not really filtering, is it, at 60 mile an hour? That's just being a bitch. Come on, my car! Go! Otherwise I'm going on to Fitzy. Nah, we're going on to Fitzy, I think.
Biscuit for a biscuit.
Why are you stopping?
Because he wants to go right.
Dear.
Did you?
Yeah.
Good.
You're not supposed to stop on the slip road like that.
Oh.
At the roundabout, take the fourth exit onto M25 towards Stansted.
Just fucking forcing their way out.
And the car in front's done it to him as well. Did he just beat me back?
Fucking embarrassing.
Now count the lane changes of this Vesta van here. They want the A12. They're in lane 1 where they're supposed to be. They move to lane 2 to overtake. They then move to lane 3. Do they go to lane 4? Of course they do. They go to lane 4. They see the sign that tells them they're supposed to be in lane 1 for the A12. But they're sitting out in lane 4 because they couldn't wait. So they're back in lane 3, over to lane 2. Do they go to lane 1? No, they're tailgating a car in front for some reason. Why aren't they going into lane 1 now? Don't know. Sitting right behind a car in lane 2. Oh, that's why. Because they want to get in front of the other black car which is in lane 1. Are they going to move over now? You had to think about it? Nope, they want to get ahead of the orange van. Are they going to move over now? There they go. All of that effort and tight lane changes. And you can see how far I've got. It's not really much difference. A couple clips in quick succession here. So this one is just a red light jump. So you can see there, van just goes straight through. Could have easily stopped. I gave them enough space for them to stop, but they didn't. And then here you've got the black car which decides to just block up a lane of a roundabout when they can't clear. So what's the point of going? This clip was a little bit earlier, but this motorbike, moped, whatever you want to call it, why would you go down the inside, position yourself there of a car indicating and turning left? Stupid.
Let's go to one. You see little twitch on the screen. Just like,
But you've got opportunity to jump ahead.
oh wow. Oh, behind though, there's a bit of beef going on. You're just going to sit there with your anything on